Today we're at Siemens factory in Congleton celebrating Made Smarter in the North West. It's our 4th anniversary. Made Smarter in the North West started as a pilot in 2018 in response to the Made Smarter review that identified that SMEs were struggling to adopt technology and to improve productivity in UK performance. Made Smarter in the last 4 years worked with around 2,500 SMEs in the North West. We're forecasting an improvement of £242 million in the economy.
What I really enjoy about my role with Made Smarter is the fact that I get to work with multiple different types of businesses. I could go into a business that is an animation studio one day, and then I'm in then the next day with a machine shop. Technology is great, but technology is a tool.
Programs like Made Smarter that are getting us a little bit fitter and hopefully making the British government realise that manufacturing is critical for growth.
We launched in 2018 in Liverpool. We've never had a programme that we've launched that had so much interest so quickly.
We're moving into a phase where resilience is as important as it ever has been, and Made Smarter, talks to helping SMEs create more robust plans, but not just create, deliver impactful results in all of those spaces.
People need that idea. They need that catalyst for growth and that real enabler for change. There's nothing better than speaking to another manufacturer who's got your battle scars, who shares your pain, that can say, I've been there, I've done it, and you can do it too.
What I like about the Made Smarter programme is they don't just throw money at you. They invest in your people. And in our industry, people is your single biggest problem in the adoption of digital technologies.
We are still in Industry 3.0 a lot of the time. Programs like Made Smarter give people the confidence and the funding to make those first steps on that journey towards Industry 4.0 and then hopefully Industry 5.0.
I've received an awful lot of resistance, and when we were talking about those 8 to 10 times productivity, to me it was obvious, and it was only when I took a step back I could appreciate a bit that the change was a bit scary, particularly for mum and dad who've run the business a certain way for a long time.
So here, when you do the factory tour, you'll see it is phenomenal, and many of you will think I can't possibly do that in my factory. You can. It's adopting those principles, and that's the big thing for me. Don't be scared of it, just do it.
But all I would say is, keep it coming. Don't stop.
A lot of the challenges that Made Smarter are trying to help UK SMEs with are the challenges that we're facing down as well. So it's great to hear the success stories. It's also great to see as well that there are people on similar journeys to the one that we're on too.
It's been great to see people showing what good does look like, what is possible with that support, but also to get the message out really to more manufacturers that help is there. For goodness sake, take it on board. If you've got the opportunity, you'll be happy that you did.